back into one of my old eyeshadow palette that I have here, and I'm going to do a look from it. So today I am going to try out this elf nutty color corrector. Putting on the primer, I am going to use some of this and the eyes today, you guys, to do this eye look that I am doing. So if you want to see, keep watching, my friend, and let's do this eye look together. So if you have an old palette, take it out. Any form of eyeshadow palette you have, whether it's old or new, take it out, you guys, and let's do some eye look together. So if you want to see, keep watching, my friend. So today, you guys, the eyeshadow palette that I'm going to use today for my eye is the Bold Brown eyeshadow palette from Black Radiant. I have this palette for a while now, and I haven't used a lot from it. So this is the color here, you guys. So I am going to go in with my brush here, and I am going to apply the color to my eye here, my outer corner of my eyes, and just blend out this color in the outer corner of my eyes. So I'm using here a black shade. First thing I'm using here is this black shade from the eye here, and you can choose whatever color you have for your eye look. As for me, I like a bold eyeshadow look, so I don't really like have problem when I'm doing a look like I can't wear a certain color. I love colors, so when I do apply color to my eyes, it doesn't matter to me if it's a bold color or just a natural color. And because I love color so much, I always end up doing some form of really bold color to my eyes. So I'm gonna go back into the dark shade here, which I am using, and I am going to swatch it and put it on the back of my hand here and just apply it to the eye here, you guys. And I'm doing it from the outer corner of my eyes, so because this eyeshadow is very pigmented, you guys. So, and then see how it goes. So I'm gonna clean the brush off, and I'm gonna go back into another color, which is like a grayish color right here, and I'm going to also apply this gray color to my eyes and sort of tone down the darker color here. So I'm taking it a little bit out here to go back into the same color, and I am also going to really apply it to my outer corner here of my eyes. So and see how this color, brownish color right here, and I'm using the same brush that I use for the darker shade, and I'm going to just apply it to my eye here. Right here. So just blend it here. So now I am going to go into another color from this palette, and now I am going to put one of these really color here. Like, let's show you how it looks. This is a color, and I'm going to put it, this one, like it is a matte, so I'm gonna put it right here on my eyes. So today I use about 4 color on this eye look. And you know, Black Radiant, it is very affordable, and the Black Radiant is also a really nice makeup to use. The product is great. I love Black Radiant. It's look really, really nicely on the eyes, you guys. And I am also going to go back into this gold color, and I am just going to put a bit underneath my brow bone here. So let's go back into some color right here and put some more of the darker shade. So I'm going back into this, and I'm just gonna tap it here to make sure that I cover the darker color back where I started. So let's blend out this color together. So now I am going to apply some eyeliner under my eyes here. This is a setting powder, and I'm just gonna use a little bit underneath my eye here to brighten my under eye back. So guys, this is my final eyeshadow look from Black Radiant. Oh my god, I love this eyeshadow. It blends so nicely. So this is the look, you guys. So let's swatch this baby, you guys, and show you all the color that are in this eyeshadow. Whether you want to do a smoky eye or you want to do a natural eye, this is really a great eyeshadow to use. This is a gold color here. And I have this eyeshadow palette for about 3 years now. I bought this in the State, and it's still worth having. Like, it's just really beautiful color that are in this color here. They are magnificent, you guys. Like, so these are some of the color, the swatches on the back of my hand. These are the eyeshadow, you guys. They are amazing. They blend really, really nicely. I did put on my foundation before I do apply these color to my eyes, and this is my final look. So I just want to say thanks again for watching.